Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best GoPro Hero 4 accessories is probably one of the most versatile action cameras ever created, and with the right accessories, you can unlock its full potential. From waterproof housings to chest mounts and extra batteries, the options are endless. But with so many choices, how do you know which ones are worth your money? In this video, we'll dive into the must-have accessories that will take your GoPro footage to the next level. Number 5. TELESIN Backpack Mount for Action Cameras. This is the TELESIN Backpack Mount, perfect for capturing your adventures. It allows you to record hands-free, giving you a unique perspective on your activities. The mount is designed to fit most shoulder straps, providing a secure and comfortable fit. It's ideal for various outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and skiing. Made with soft, elastic nylon and a shock-absorbing base, this mount ensures both comfort and stability. It minimizes camera shake, resulting in higher quality videos. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI Osmo, and Insta360 models. It also works with many other cameras that have a universal tripod socket. The package includes the backpack strap mount, a J-hook, and a screw. Enjoy a 90-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with the product. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This backpack strap mount is perfect for capturing those epic POV shots while hiking or biking. It's adjustable to fit most shoulder straps, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. If you're looking for a hands-free way to film your outdoor adventures, this is the accessory for you. What people say. I really like the quick connect and dual mounting system because it lets me easily disconnect the camera and go handheld without having to swap mounts or adjust anything. The 360 head is also great because it lets me adjust the camera angle quickly on the fly, which is perfect when I'm switching between walking, hiking, or biking. Fit both devices well. I bounced up and down and it held the heavier GoPro in place well. One particular thing I like about the design is the monopod mount on the bottom. Number 4. Suptig battery and dual charger for GoPro Hero 4. This is the Suptig battery, designed with high-tech lithium technology. It boasts a 1160 mAh capacity, ensuring you capture more footage without interruption. It will keep you going longer. The dual charger allows you to charge two batteries simultaneously. Its unique safety circuit design ensures safe and reliable charging. You can charge two batteries at the same time. This charger is compatible with Hero 4 Black and Silver models. It works with both GoPro batteries and Suptig AHDBT401 batteries. You can use it with your existing setup. The charger is incredibly compact, measuring just 2.1 by 1.7 by 0.78 inches. It charges two batteries fully in about 2.5 to 3 hours using a 1A adapter. It's very convenient to use. You'll receive the Suptig dual battery charger, two batteries, and a mini USB cable. Don't hesitate to try it, it will make your experience even better. It will bring you more convenience. What we like. Tired of running out of battery during your shoots? This dual battery charger comes with two batteries, providing extended recording time. It's compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel. If you like to capture every moment without interruption, you should consider this. What people say. The accessories kit is great for the price. The chest strap is comfortable and easy to adjust. The floating handle is a must-have for water activities. Number 3. SOONSUN frame mount for GoPro Hero 3+4. This frame mount is designed specifically for GoPro Hero 3, 3+, and 4 cameras. It ensures a perfect fit, allowing easy access to all camera slots. This makes it convenient for various activities. Made from lightweight plastic, this frame mount is easy to carry around. It's ideal for travel, climbing, and running, providing a secure and stable mounting solution for your camera. Take it with you on your adventures. This frame mount is perfect for capturing your experiences. The design enhances your overall playing experience. The package includes the frame mount housing, a long thumb screw, and a quick-release buckle. These accessories provide everything you need to get started. It is easy to set up and use. Please note that this frame mount is not waterproof and not optimized for extreme conditions. It's best suited for everyday activities in moderate environments. This is a great accessory to have. What we like. This frame mount is a simple and lightweight solution for protecting your GoPro. It's perfect for travel or casual use. If you are looking for a basic, no-frills case that allows easy access to all ports, this is a great choice. What people say. The accessories kit is great for the price. The chest strap is comfortable and easy to adjust. The floating handle is a great addition for water activities. Number 2. ULANZI Go Quick 2 57 inches Action Camera Tripod. This selfie tripod features the Go Quick 2 system. It uses a magnetic mount with strong suction, allowing you to connect your action camera in a second. It also includes a secondary reinforced locking pin for added security. The selfie stick offers 7 height adjustments, ranging from 11.53 inches to an impressive 57 inches. Extending it is smooth, and it provides strong support at any height. It has 4 segments to meet different shooting needs. It's not just a selfie stick, it also functions as a tripod. Simply open the handle, and it transforms into a stable tripod with 3 legs. The design allows it to stand securely even on uneven surfaces. Made from a combination of ABS and aluminum, it's both lightweight and durable. Weighing only 0.73 pounds, it's easy to carry in your backpack. It's perfect for outdoor activities like taking photos, selfies, and videos. The tripod comes with an action camera quick-release adapter. This makes it suitable for use with a wide range of action cameras. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. Our 12-month risk-free service is always available. We'll solve any problems you have with the product within 24 hours. What we like. This selfie stick transforms into a tripod, offering versatile shooting options. It extends up to 57 inches, giving you flexibility in your shots. If you are a vlogger or content creator who needs a stable and adjustable setup, it will be your best choice. What people say. Very sturdy and easy to carry and set up. It is super stable. Easy to change from short to tall. Looks to be a quality product. The length provides the perfect reach for capturing stunning shots, and the stability of the tripod is awesome. The build quality is robust, and the telescopic function operates smoothly. Number 1. TELESIN Magnetic Mount for Action Camera. This magnetic mount from TELESIN features 6 built-in magnets and a durable aluminum body. It provides a strong magnetic force, ensuring your camera stays securely in place while recording. It can hold up to 9 kilograms. The mount comes with 2 adapters for versatile use. One is a standard 2-prong adapter for GoPro cameras, and the other is a 1/4 adapter, suitable for Insta360 cameras, video lights, microphones, or even your phone. Please note that a phone clip is not included. It features a 360-degree rotatable dual ball head. This allows for flexible adjustment, letting you easily change the angle of your shot, whether it's up, down, vertical, or horizontal. This gives you plenty of options. This aluminum mount is perfect for various vlogging and video recording situations. You can use it on smooth metal surfaces like car exteriors, tubes, roll bars, refrigerators, or even in your kitchen. It's designed for convenience. It's compatible with most action cameras, wearable cameras, and mobile phones. Requires a separate phone clip. Enjoy peace of mind with a 90-day free return and refund policy, plus a 1-year warranty. It is not suitable for SLR and DSLR cameras. What we like. This magnetic mount offers a secure and versatile way to attach your camera to various surfaces. It features a strong magnet and 360-degree rotation for flexible angles. If you have a need to mount your camera on a car or any metal surface, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The accessories kit is a great value. The chest strap is comfortable and easy to adjust. The floating handle is a must-have for water activities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.